Hi everyone, in this video let's see about the MCQs on Indian population. The first one is what is the literacy rate in India as per census 2011. So that is 74.04, option A. Second one, which one among the following is the most populated state in India as per census 2011? Goa, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Sikkim. So among these, Goa is the most populated. And third one, Shampans are the vulnerable tribal groups of. So they are the vulnerable tribal groups of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Fourth one, according to 2011 census, which of the following states has the lowest child sex ratio both in rural and urban areas? So that is Haryana. And fifth one, the Munda language group belong to which family? So they belong to Austric. And sixth one, which one among the following is the correct ascending sequence of the state in terms of their population density as per census 2011? So Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Mizoram and Himachal Pradesh. So here Arunachal Pradesh, so it has a population density of about 17. And then Sikkim, it has a population density of about 86. And Mizoram, it has a population density of about 52. And Himachal Pradesh, it has a population density of 123. So hence the answer is option B. So Arunachal Pradesh 17, Mizoram 52, Sikkim 86 and Himachal Pradesh 123. So here they have ascending sequence, so option B is right. The seventh one, the rate of population growth during 2001 to 2011 decade declined over the previous decade in all the following states except Tamil Nadu. And eighth one, as per census 2011, the concentration of scheduled caste population is the highest in the state. So it is highest in, so they have given four options, that is Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and West Bengal. So among these, Punjab has the highest concentration of scheduled caste population. Hence option C is the right one, which has about 28.9%. And the next one, consider the following Indian states: Bihar, Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan and Haryana. Which one of the following is the correct ascending order of the above states on the basis of percentage of states population to the total population of India based on census 2011? So Bihar, it has a Indian population of about 8.60%, and Rajasthan, it has about 5.6, and Jammu and Kashmir, it has about 1.04, and then Haryana, it has about 2.09. So here they have asked ascending order. So that is Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, and then Rajasthan, and then Bihar. Hence the right sequence is 3, 4, 2, 1. That is option C. 10th one, as per 2011 state census, the urban population percentage to total population of India was about. So that is about 31%. Option B. 11th one, as per 2011 census, the female literacy rate in India was. So that is 65.5%. And the male literacy percentage is 82%. 12th one, which one of the following state has the highest density of population according to the census of India 2011? Kerala, Haryana, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. So Kerala, it has a population density of about 860 and Bihar, it has 1106. So here they have asked highest density of population, so that is Bihar 1106. The second state which has highest density of population is West Bengal. It is about 1028. Third one, which one of the following Indian state has recorded negative growth of population as per census 2011? So that is Nagaland. Option D. So 14th one, which census year is called demographic divide? So that is 1921, option B. 15th one, where are todas found? So they are found in Tamil Nadu and at the highest altitude of Nilgiris. 16th one, according to Indian Population Census 2011, the percentage of literacy among males and females both is lowest in the state of. So the percentage of literacy is lowest in the state of Bihar, option C. As per 2011 census in India, the number of females per 1000 males is, so that is 940. 18th one, in which state Halam, Notia tribal are mainly seen? So these people are in Tripura. 19th one, the Rohingyas are an ethnic community belonging to which of the following countries? So that is from Myanmar. And 20th one, according to 2011 census, which of the following state has the largest rural population? So that is Uttar Pradesh. And 21, in which of the following state population or scheduled tribes is largest in the country in 2011? So that is Mizoram. So which has about 90% of the people are from scheduled tribes. Scheduled tribes here. So option A. And 22, which one of the following types of migration has contributed most in population movement in India in 2011? So that is rural to rural, option A. 23rd, find the correct arrangement of the following urban agglomeration in descending order as per the population size according to census 2011. So that is Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, option B. 24th, which one of the following is the correct descending order of Indian states in terms of sex ratio? So that is option C, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, and then Tripura. 25, which of the following districts of Uttar Pradesh has the lowest female literacy rate as per 2011 census? So that is Saraswati. 26th, as per draft National Register of Citizen of July 2018, which of the following states more than 40 lakh illegal migrants were found? So they were found in Assam. And 27th, in India, the second most populated district is, so that is North 24 Parganas. The first one is Thane. And the next one is, which one of the following is the correct ascending sequence of state with regard to the percentage of urban population? So that is Maharashtra, Kerala, Mizoram, and Goa. So hence option C is the right one. And the next one is, consider given statements true and decide which of the conclusions logically follows from the information given in the statement. The statement is, the population in metro cities is increasing tremendously, which leads to the shortage of living space and a drop in living condition of the people. Conclusion, government should replan city development. Government should demolish illegal buildings and build cottage for people. So here, which one shoots is the conclusion one shoots. So hence, the answer is option D. And the next one is, the state having maximum population is, so that is Uttar Pradesh. And the next one is, as per census of India, an urban area with a population from 50,000 to 99,999 is named as. So it is named as class 1 town. So class 1 town, it is the population above 1 lakh, and class 3, it is 20,000 to 49,999, and for class 4, that is 10,000 to 19,999. And the next one is, who among the following is a primitive tribe? So that is Korwa. 33rd, literacy rate during census 2001 to 2011 has been recorded. So the literacy rate, that is 74.04. And 34th, as per census 2011, what is the rank of Bihar state in terms of population in the country? So that is third. And in population density, Bihar is the first state. And then 35th, which one of the following statement is correct? For the purpose of census 2011, so here they have given age 7, age 8, age 9 and age 10. So the right one is age 7. A person age 7 and above who can read and write with understanding in any language is treated as literate. And 36th, which of the following pairs of Indian state and tribal population are correct? So the first statement is Madhya Pradesh largest tribal population. So this is correct. And the next one is Mizoram highest percentage of tribal population out of the total population of the state. This is also correct. It has about 94.5% of the tribal population. And third one, Chhattisgarh, that is the second largest tribal population after Madhya Pradesh. So this one is wrong because Odisha has the second largest tribal population after Madhya Pradesh. And the fourth one is Arunachal Pradesh, second highest percentage of tribal population out of total population of the state after Mizoram. So that is not Arunachal Pradesh, that is Nagaland. So the state which has largest tribal population is Madhya Pradesh, and the next one is Odisha. And the state which has largest tribal population out of total population of its state, of its own population, is first one is Mizoram and the next one is Nagaland. So here first and second is correct, hence option A is the right one. So and 37th, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So 1951, the sex ratio is 1946, this is correct. And 1971, it is 1930, this is also correct. And in 1991, it is 927, this is correct. In 2011, it is 1943. So here they have us not correct, hence option D is the right one. And 38th, which of the following districts record highest growth of population during 2001 to 2011? So that is Madhipura. And 39, Taru, Bil, Gadi, Munda, and list to Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh. So Taru, these tribes peoples are in Uttar Pradesh, and Bil, so they are in Rajasthan, and Gadi, they are in Himachal Pradesh, and Munda, they are in Jharkhand. So the right code is 4123, hence option D is the right one. 40th one, which of the following state has the highest density of population 2011? Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Assam, Bihar. So from these, Bihar has the highest density of population. And 41, all India census was, first statement, first attempted in 1872, this is correct. Regularly undertaken since 1881, this is correct. Always undertaken as a 5-year exercise, this is wrong, as a 10-year exercise, hence option C is right. 42nd, which one of the following is the per annum growth rate of population in India between 2001 to 2011? So that is 1.64%. 43rd, which one of the following is the largest linguistic group of India? So that is Indo-Aryan. 44th, which one of the following pair is not correctly matched with reference to literacy in Bihar and India? So that is option C, male literacy rate in Bihar. And 45, according to the census 2011, what is the population density of India? So that is 382. 46. Which committee has the lowest sex ratio in India as disclosed in the additional data pertaining to census 2011 released recently? So that is 6. And which committee has the highest sex ratio is, that is Christianity. And 47. Which state of India has recorded the highest rate of population growth in the census 2001? So that is Nagaland. 48. Which one of the following is not correct in the current Indian scenario? So the first one is life expectancy on increase and is about 69 years as of now. Infant mortality rate is on decline and has reached 47 per thousand. So this one is correct. And then MMR is on the rise due to lack of medical facilities. So this is wrong. And the fourth one is percentage of women giving birth in health institution is on rise. So here they have asked not correct. So this one is not correct. Hence option C is the right answer. 49. The Dravidian races are mainly confined at which of the following parts? So at South India. So the states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra and Karnataka have the concentration of Dravidian races. 15th one. Which of the following state has the lowest literacy rate? So Kerala, it has the highest literacy rate. So here they have lowest, so that is Bihar. 51. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? So that is option D. So the decade growth rate of population in 2001 to 2011 is about 17.64. So the other options are given correct. And 52nd, the census projection report shows that India is one of the youngest nation in the world. In year 2020, the average rate of Indians will be, so that is 29 years. And 53, the correct sequence of population density from high to low in the following states of India as per 2011 census is. So Bihar has a population of density of about 1106, and then Punjab has about 551, and Jharkhand has about 441, 414, and Uttarakhand has about 189. So here they have said highest to lowest. So option C, Bihar, Punjab, Jharkhand and Uttarakhand. And 54, what do you mean by density population? So density population means number of person living per square kilometer. So hence option B is right. 55, among the 4 cities, which one has the least population as per 2001 census? So that is Varanasi. And 56th, which of the following language does not belong to Indo-Aryan language family? So that is Munda. And 57, according to the census 2011, what is the literacy rate of India? So that is option A, 0.74.04 or 74.04%. And 58, which one of the following union territory in India has a sex ratio above 1000? So that is Puducherry, 1037. And then 59, India's population growth is characterized by. So it is characterized by an increase in the birth rate and declining death rate, hence option C. 60th one, among the following states, the literacy rate is highest in. So the literacy rate is highest in Mizoram. So the first is Kerala and the second one is Mizoram, hence option D. 61, sex ratio in India is measured as number of females per 1000 males, hence option B is right. 62nd, according to census 2011, which of the following is the correct sequence of the state in the decreasing order of the total size of the population? So that is Kerala, Jharkhand, Assam and Punjab, hence option A is right. And 63rd, what is the percentage of literacy in Arunachal Pradesh? So that is 20.9%. 64, according to census 2011, which of the following state has the highest density of population? So that is Bihar. And the next one is In which one of the following union territory do the people of Ongo tribal live? So they live in Andaman and Nicobar Island. And 62nd, what is the minimum age of person whose photographing, fingerprinting and iris mapping will be done for the census 2011? That is 18 years. And next one, according to 2001 census, what is the population of Bihar? So that is about 83 million. So option A is right. And 68, which of the following state has the largest number of people belonging to scheduled caste? Bihar, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. So among these, Uttar Pradesh has the largest number of people belonging to scheduled caste. And the next one, as per the census 2011, which of the following state or union territory claimed second rank in terms of literacy rate? So that is Lakshadweep. And the next one is, the term demographic gap signifies the difference. So it signifies the difference between birth and death rate, hence option D. The next one is, as per the provisional result of 2011 census, the density of population in India is. So the population density is 382. And the next one, the correct sequence of population density from high to low as per 2011 is. So that is Bihar, Punjab, Jharkhand and Uttarakhand, option C. So Bihar has the density of about 1106, and the next one is West Bengal. It has about 1028, and the third one is Kerala. It has about 860. So Punjab has a population density of about 551, and Jharkhand has about 414 and Uttarakhand about 189. And also Delhi has the population density of about 11,320, and the next one is Puducherry. It has about 9,528. Sorry, Chandigarh. Second one is Chandigarh, and the third is Puducherry. That is about 2,547. And the state which has lowest population density is Arunachal Pradesh. That is about 17. And 73rd, among the following religious group, which one has recorded the highest percentage literacy rate as per the 2011 census? So that is Jains. 74, which among the following pairs of tribe and state is not matched? So that is option D, Todas Kerala. So these peoples are from Tamil Nadu. And the next one is the district of Bihar, which has recorded the highest sex ratio as per 2011 census. So the district, that is Gopalganj, so which records the sex ratio of about 1015. And 76, as per the census 2011, the child sex ratio in Bihar is, so that is 935. And 77, Nishi tribe is found mainly in, so they are mainly in Arunachal Pradesh. And 78, according to the census 2001, in India, what is the percentage of people considered to be migrant that is now settled in a place different from their previous residence? So that is 37%. The next one is, here it is typed wrongly, so 37%. And 79, according to the demographic transition theory, the third stage in a demographic cycle is marked by, so it is marked by low fertility and low mortality, hence option B. And 80th one, the dependency rate in India is declining because population of 15 to 59 years is relatively high. So that's why dependency rate is declining. And 81, Which city of India is the least populated according to 2011 census? That is Kapurtula, option A. And the next one is Banswara and the next one is Nagda. So the Kapurtula has a population of about 98,916 and Banswara has a population of about 99,000 and Nagda has a population of over 100,000. That is 1 lakh and 39. And 82nd, which is the most populous state according to 2011 census? So that is Uttar Pradesh. So the first state that has the highest population is Uttar Pradesh. Hence option B is the right one. 83rd, to which of the following Indian state does the tribe of Naisi belong? So it belongs to Arunachal Pradesh. And the next one is, in which of the following state is Lusi dialect spoken? So that is Mizoram. 85, Bopa is a traditional head here of tribes belonging to. So that is Arunachal Pradesh. And 86, which of the following tribe belong to Sikkim? So that is Bhutia. 87, as per 2011 census, Hindi has retained its position as a predominant language spoken by about 43%. So 0.4363%. And 88, which Indian state has the second highest population after Uttar Pradesh as per 2011 census? So that is Maharashtra. And 89, as per census 2011, which state of India has the lowest sex ratio? That is the number of female per thousand males. So that is Haryana. The lowest sex ratio, that is 877. So these are the questions regarding the population of India from the Luzen's book. I hope this video is useful for exam preparation. Thank you for watching.